Throw a little salt on your griddle and be surprised. I'm sure you've never cleaned like this. For this tip, the ideal is to use 2 sheets of paper. Here I am using sulfite. If you prefer, you can even use a notebook sheet or any other. The ideal way to carry out cleaning is to use salt, being the main element responsible for the cleaning effect of the ironing board. For use, we only use a small amount of distribution on top of the sheets of paper. After a period of use, some residue accumulates on the base and also in the water tank, and when used in this way, it can damage the fabrics and even stick the fabrics to the base due to its high temperature. To clean, you just have to connect the iron and use it at the maximum temperature and then go over the salt. You will easily notice the cleanliness, even because of all the dirt that will easily come out in contact with the salt. And before I forget, tell me what city you're seeing us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for Patricia, from Colombia. She's glad you're enjoying our advice. The best thing about using salt in this form of cleaning is that you separate this same used salt and use it again in some future cleaning. I am sure you will be surprised at how easily and without damaging your iron clothes iron using steel sponge or products that can damage your appliance. Once at this point, just to remove the rest of the dirt and also the excess salt, just with a paper towel or even toilet paper, we will put a small amount of vinegar. So it facilitates the removal of salt by diluting it easily, and even more so by being responsible for removing the rest of the dirt. Cleaning should be done periodically, being essential to avoid damage to fabrics, mainly for light pieces. Direct contact with the high temperature of the iron and without being clean, it will easily damage your clothes. This cleaning is absolutely essential, and always check before use if cleaning is necessary. I'm sure you'll thank me for this advice today. Once I showed this way of cleaning to my friends, they were all surprised and also do cleaning this way. Thanks for watching this video this far. I'll see you in the next video.